This is my 2-year review of the iRobot Roomba 670. I am going to tell you the good, the bad, and talk about pricing. The number one thing I have about this vacuum is it's a major pain to clean. I have a large section of wool carpet that really gets wrapped around the brushes. Pet hair and human hair also get wrapped around, resulting in a cleaning experience that takes almost as long as just using a normal vacuum that isn't a pain to clean. I have a lot of tiles, so I mainly keep this vacuum confined just to the tile. The best part of this vacuum is the set it and forget it, and ease of operation. Do a quick walk around looking for shoelaces, cords, and block off the area you don't want it. Push the start button with your foot and take comfort knowing that you are saving yourself lots of time. So remember to do something important.
You are not.
If you have any pets and your vacuum is set up for an automatic schedule, what happens if a turd is sitting in the middle of the floor?
Help me jump into. Whoa, man! You just ran through a big pile of dog shit.
It happens.
What?
Sometimes.
I actually know a few people who won't be using the automatic schedule feature anymore. After 2 years of roughly daily use, the battery is still going strong. I have it vacuumed 4 rooms and a hallway, estimated 750 square foot, and it still goes for an hour and a half. It's a kitchen, the dining, the mudroom, and bathroom. With the dock located in a centralized location, it always seems to find its way back to the like and subscribe button. When you run the vacuum in a large area, this thing runs for an hour and a half.
Why are you running? Are you doing this for world peace?
Are you doing this for the homeless?
Are you running for women's rights?
Or for the environment?
Or for animals?
They just couldn't believe that somebody would do all that running for no particular reason.
Why are you doing this?
I just felt like running.
It takes too long and uses too much energy, and without a HEPA filter, it's literally throwing dust particles into the air the entire time. The Roomba 670 does a good job cleaning and continues to keep its charge, but a robot vacuum needs to do much more. I believe the price is not worth the almost $190 that I paid for it. A robot vacuum needs 2 things to really knock it out of the park. 1, easy to clean, to save time. And 2, it needs a HEPA filter for indoor air quality. If it's going to bounce around like that for an hour and a half, might as well have it clean the air too, right? A bonus would be smart navigation to save some energy and to help prevent a couple missed spots that the Roomba does miss from time to time. I wouldn't pay anything more than $500 for all those features. What is the best robot vacuum and which should I review? Let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful or entertaining, please help me by liking and subscribing. Thanks again.